Hey guys, Rob from the Off-Grid Tiny House. You're just looking at my induction cooktop. It's hooked up to a Distiller kettle that I'm building DIY. So I got this cheap kettle, stainless steel, on Wish, and in order to I also got this shower water line there as well. And I had to buy the plastic and brass coupler locally here, and to get it to work I put some high temperature silicone just around there to get everything to connect to the kettle without the steam, hopefully without the steam popping that off. So what I have is, this is the first line, and it goes into a glass of water that's just room temperature, and basically I have a long piece of stainless line here, the shower line, and I got it in going into 2 cups, and then finally we'll be going into this larger glass here. And these cups, the water in here hopefully will cool the temperature of the lines down before it reaches here, so I capture all the water and don't lose any steam, basically, right? I previously tried using a Fernco method that I saw on YouTube, though it worked. If you ever, since YouTube doesn't have smell-o-vision, I smelled the distilled water and it smelled like rubber, plasticky rubber. So highly doubt that would be drinkable unless you would filter that afterwards. So don't really recommend that, go in that direction. So I'm going to try this new water distiller out, and I'll tell you if we get any headway with this thing, okay? Alright, see you in a bit. Alright guys, I ran the kettle's still actually hot. I just shut it off it's been off for a good hour. Now, as you can see, I don't see any water in here. But the reason for that is, I have all these loops that the line went through. So there's water laying inside those loops because there's probably not enough in there to get back out and into this glass. So what I need to do basically is I'll probably have to just lower the glasses and see what comes out. So if I place the camera down here on the floor and hopefully do this without a nightmare. Sorry I can't show this process, guys, because you know, it's the way it is right now. But I'm going to slowly pull the line and straighten the line up. So now that you guys can see some water maybe start flowing that the distiller made. Okay, how much did it actually make? Get the phone, boy. Alright. So it looks like I didn't get too much, but I didn't run it for very long. So the main point of this was to see to see if my silicone connection would work there. So I'll run this again and probably lower the glasses so things flow a little bit easier, and we'll be back once that happens. So see you guys in a bit. Alrighty guys, so the heat and the steam pressure popped the end off, which is over here, but I did end up getting some water in here, and the same result, getting some plastic smell, because obviously that white piece is made of plastic. Everything else is metal. That brass color is actual brass metal, and the rest is all stainless. So I got a little bit of odor out of here. So obviously we're back to the drawing board. Though I did order some copper sheet metal, which I'm going to probably end up soldering to this and making some type of extension tube, and then reduce it down so I can attach that brass fitting and the stainless and eliminate the plastic altogether. So that'll be coming in a future video, guys, so stay tuned.